Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Right now it's 12:43 a.m. Wednesday morning. So Tuesday just finished, and this video is about the trades taken yesterday and today. Means Monday and Tuesday, 18th and 19th only, right? And you will see that how this system is performing. So this system is different things, but the entry setup is this. The yellow line must be above the black line, adjacent black line, the thin one, right? The price must be making higher low for long, obviously. And then this indicator need to be all the way down, turning to the upside, and a red candle coming here, at least touching the yellow, and then turning blue candle, one or two blue candles, and then I open the trade. See buy order right there. That's how it is. I do have an alarm that beeps when the first reversal candle is in place, so I know when which pair is making the setup. So I just come and open the trade manually. Now so let's get started. Every single trade you're going to see according to the setup. Without the setup, I do not open the trade. So this is pound yen 20-minute on the 18th for 80 pip. Now this is exactly, you can see the same thing, that this was the entry, this was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry. This is the one I took it, and it never came and hit my SL. Initially my SL is right behind this low here, right? For long, for short, it's right behind the last high. Okay, so here again, same thing. Yellow is above the black, the price is making higher low. This indicates all the way down, turning to the upside. A red candle turns into blue. Few blue candles, and I open the trade, right? 85 pip. Look at this one, same thing here. This was bearish here. All of a sudden, it turns bullish. Same scenario, same conditions. 70 pip to the upside. Euro-USD buy order here. Same scenario here. Pound USD did the same thing, right? Exactly. This indicates all the way down, higher low. Yellow is above the black, and red candle turning blue, and I open the trade. Here, just the opposite. This was going to the upside, and now I know that on the 19th, Aussie dollar started getting strong. Actually, pound was getting weaker as well. So the price started dropping here, and then here, the same thing. Yellow was just getting below the black, and I knew that after the news, Aussie dollar was getting strong. So, and this indicates all the way up, and blue candle turns red. Couple of candles, and I open a short. See that? So that's how the setup works. On the 19th, Euro-USD long for 85 pip. 19th, EUR-CAD, same thing, long for 110 pip, buy order here. Pound USD, this is long here, buy order 65 pip only. It start wobbling here, and I says, well, let's get out of here. Right here, pound CAD 55 pip only, and but something is something, right? And on 19 USD-CAD, and I made a video yesterday about the Aussie dollar, and I mentioned that the USD-CAD is going to drop. It is dropping, and then I had a short here. This was my trade from here to here, and then this is the one for 75 pip today. Tuesday. Now Aussie Yen, I said I'm not going to take the trade on this one, but I did it anyway because the setup was a very, very good setup. So it's 90 pip here, going to the upside on 19. By the book here, Euro Yen also, actually Yen was getting weaker. I was expecting the strength, but it will start getting weaker. So Yen pairs went up, and Aussie Yen, Euro Yen, Pound Yen, those are the ones that I took. 75 pip here, and here Pound Yen again. Like I said, Yen was getting weaker, and then Yen pairs went up. So I said, let's take it. So I'm watching all the indexes too. US dollar index, Yen index, Aussie index, and that helps a lot. Also, I have this Telegram here, right, where I put constant, heads up and all those. This is US dollar index chart, and the videos and setup updates and all that for my subscribers. And let me show you this US dollar index. Let me see if I have the chart open here. Yeah, okay. See the US dollar index on the 14th, I made this that this was going to finish up here around this area. This is called a bearish crab pattern, and then after that it's going to drop. So it's going to go up a little bit, hit this area 1753, and then drop back to this high B, tail, and then high of this B, point B, right? So what happened as of today? This happened exactly. It came down here, not at exactly this one, but it came down here after going up and then hitting 1753, start to come down, and this is where we are now. Yesterday I made a video about the Aussie dollar index, that it's going to go up, and it start to go up already, right? And let me see if I have that yesterday. You see that it was here, and I said, well, it's going to go up, and after the news basically, and it start to go up, and then now it's powerfully going to the upside. And the 20-minute chart was here when I made the video, and so far it went up this much. And what happened? That's how I got that Aussie yen long, pound yen, euro, pound Aussie, and euro Aussie didn't give me enough a good entry, by the way. I was expecting short, but I didn't get the entry. I got the entry on Aussie yen. So with Aussie strength, Aussie yen supposed to go up, and pound Aussie and euro Aussie is supposed to go down. They did go down, but no entry, no trade. Simple as that. So, but I had a lot of other trades, so no regret, right? So now this is like 12 or 13 trades in 2 days, and you saw the amount of pippage. Let me go back now. 75 pip, 75 pip, 90 pip. This is 75 pip. This is 55, 65, 110, 85. 90 here, 55 here, 70 here, 85 here, 80 here. So you add them up, you do the math. So this is how, and every single trade is according to this setup, right? So 4 conditions, I have to have these 4 conditions at the same time before I open the trade. And I open the trade. Yes, I do have my SL hit once in a while, and that is only 25. Like for example here, if I open the trade here, my SL is right here, which is always 25, 24, 25, something like that. And as soon as it goes up a little bit in my direction, I come and sit on a break even, or maybe 10 pip risk. Even after that, if it comes down, I lose 5 pip here, 10 pip there, 15 pip there, something like that. But most of the time, this happens. Boom, it's gone. Right? This was not even the entry because this indicator was not all the way down. This, you say, yeah, okay. And then you can see that the SL was never hit if I had taken this one as well. Anyway, so this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then go on my website, which is right here, and then subscribe. And you can start taking trades like this with the system. And if you are new to this business and want to learn every single thing from A to Z about the Forex market and trading, then you want to be one-on-one coaching, online coaching over the Zoom 10-hour course, 1 hour each session. And you will learn every single thing, all of these, how to do technical analysis, monthly, weekly, daily chart, trend lines, channels, Fibonacci tool, how to use it, SNR level, how to find them and how to use it, and candlestick formation and harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, and how to find the target, and blah blah blah, every single thing about the Forex market. So you can learn that in this one-on-one course, right? So that's how it is. So this is, I just wanted to show you guys. And today, Wednesday is starting, so let's get on to those new trades now. And once I get them, I'll make a video again every other day, probably. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.